Good evening, Anvita, Kritika.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening, all of you. So you can show me the homework if you have done the homework.
Ma'am, sir, shall I show?
Yes, yes. Yes, Advik. Show it. Okay, this is good. The boat is looking good. Okay, the boat and the princess are looking together. It is nice work. All the lanterns flying. It is looking very good. Good work.
Thank you, sir. But sir, the other homework I could not do because I had my exam.
Oh, okay, okay. Fine, fine. Okay, very good work so far. Okay, so I'm going to see from.
Can I show?
Yeah, Skanda, show it. Okay, very good. நல்லா இருக்கு. Lanterns, castle, both are good. போட்டுக்கு வந்து என்ன டார்க்கா கலர் கொடுக்கணும். போட்டுக்கு வந்து. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is this? The tree is looking very beautiful. Hut also very nice. You have to add more leaves. Lot of leaves you need to add. Okay. Leaf.
Okay,
Good
sir.
one. Good one. So I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, Anvita also very good. Castle. The hair is looking beautiful. Eyes வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சின்னதா இருக்கலாம் for the princess. I like the horse. Okay, good work, Anvita. Everything is good. So what is this?
I tried.
Okay, trees, is it? Trees, different type of trees and the landscape you have tried. நல்லா இருக்கு. Good. Grasses வந்து நிறையவே போடலாம். Trunk வந்து the tree ஓட trunk வந்து டார்க்கா இருக்கலாம். So டார்க்கா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay. Okay, good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I'm seeing from Kritika now. The shading is very good for the tree. அப்புறம் அந்த ட்ரீல வந்து ஒரு கர்வி லைன்ஸா இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா. ட்ரீ ட்ரங்க்ல கர்வி லைன்ஸ் இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா. So those அதை ஆட் பண்ணா tree will look more beautiful. Okay. So far see those curvy lines in the top branches. Frontல இருக்க ட்ரீல டாப் branchesல இருக்கு. So that same curvy lines can be added in the whole tree. Good background also nice. The hut, where is the person? There is a person there actually. He's gone. So mala அதிகமா இருக்கிறதுனால he's gone maybe. Okay, good sketch. Very good sketch.
Sir, but another homework I can't finish because there is exam for me, sir.
Okay. Okay, take care. Yeah. So I'll change. Let's do today's sketching. Today we are going to do the last. Okay, where is my? Just a minute.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening, Uttara. So you have any homework to show, Uttara?
Sir?
Do you have any homework to show?
Can I show the last class drawing that I did not
Okay.
show you. Yes, sir. Sir, I do this one. This
Okay, nice, nice. The car, the background, everything is good. Beautiful sketch. Teeth and expression is very good. Good work.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
And one the car that
Okay, this is supercar, Ferrari supercar. This also looking very good.
yes, sir.
Good, good. So you have to do homework of previous class also. Okay, so this is the flowers. Shading is good. So this also very nice. Sunflower.
Next.
What is this? Okay, so you are yet to shade for the bird. Okay, looks good sketch. You are yet to complete it, right? Okay. Okay, good work. Okay, so near my house there is some construction is going on, so a lot of sound is coming. So you have to adjust. So this class, we are going to learn how to draw human, little bit, hands and legs and all, but through a character, okay, through Jungle Book. So in the Jungle Book, there is a character, right? So Mowgli. So through Mowgli, we are going to learn how to draw human. So in the next class, we will learn how to draw some good portrait. So this is class 7. Next class is class 8, last class of the course. Okay, so after this course, the oil pastels classes will start. If you're interested, you can join oil pastels also. Okay, so class 7. Class 7 and so the Mowgli we are going to draw. Human drawing. Mowgli. Right, so many of you might have seen the movie Jungle Book. If not, you have to see it. So it's such a beautiful and very inspiring, wonderful movie. I'm still adjusting my paper. Okay. Okay, so we are going to draw the person, the height of the person. So, okay, so I'm making a lighter line. Okay, definitely not a darker line. So making a lighter line. This is very light. Okay, what the line I'm drawing is very light. So this is going to be the height of a person. And in the middle, I'm just marking a point where we will draw the hip. So this is how human drawing we draw. So in the middle, I'm marking a point where we draw hip. So other divisions are there, but let's not worry about it. So I'm just making a shape here actually. Okay, so this shape is for So this must be a lighter line. Okay, draw light. I'm not drawing dark line. This should be a lighter line. Okay, so then, so you can draw like this actually with a simple lighter line. This is the hip and trousers of the boy, and this is going to be one leg. This is going to be the one leg, and the another leg will be like this. So these two lines I've drawn. This is another leg. So this is for the body of the person. This for the trousers. This is one leg, and this is another leg. Simple lines. Okay. So this is how we plan. We plan how to draw. This is leg. This is hand. One hand is keeping in the hip. There is another hand. Okay, this another hand also he is keeping in the hip. Back side, there is a small change I'm doing, making the shape like this. The back side, there is a small change. Okay. Okay, just draw this. Then after that, we'll draw the head. Okay, the head I'm going to draw twice. This is a oval. I've drawn a simple oval for the head. I'll just wait for it to just complete. So as I said, I'm going to make so first I'll make a sketch here. The same oval. Okay, twice I'm going to draw. So you can observe when I draw this one. You don't have to draw twice. Here is a simple oval. So I'll take the camera more closer, like this. Here is the simple oval. So the eye comes in the middle like this. And there is a small, just observe this. You don't have to draw. Okay, just observe this. So I'm making this for the eyes. So making this darker line like this. Here I'm making a darker line and darker line. So this person is looking to the right side. So I'm keeping the dot here and dot here. Okay. And the nose, we can draw simple nose like this. Is good enough. Simple nose like this. We'll keep another pen here so that sometimes it is not focusing. Now it is focusing. Keep this in the middle. Okay. So the mouth we can draw something like this. So it's so simple. We can draw this face, this line for the mouth. Now what is interesting is his head. Okay, he is a jungle boy, and his head is drawn like a box. So in that movie, they draw the head like a box. So I'm going to make a box around this. Okay, so like this. Like this, I make. This is the hair. So I just made a box around. This line comes and this line comes like this. So that is all. This is how I'm going to draw the head. Okay, this box we can give a shading. Okay, so hope you have observed now. Okay, now we can start drawing. So I'm going to do the same drawing here actually. So in the middle there is a guiding line. There is this guiding line. In the middle there is a guiding line which helped to measure the height of this person. So that I have erased. This I have erased. Okay, so now I'm going to draw this person. So this is the line wherein the eye is going to come, and there is a oval, another oval like this. He is looking to the right side. So this, making this line darker, making this line darker again, dot and dot. This is eyebrow line. So eyebrow line is like both lines are going up like this. Then the nose, in the middle, this nose comes, and the lip line, double line you can draw for the lip like this. Okay. Since he is turning to the left side, we can do one more thing. The nose, okay, the nose, what is this, eyebrow and nose, we can connect like this. It will make it look like this person is looking to the left side. So not only that, near the eye, we can make this shape like this. This will make this chubby cheeks we can make. From the eye, we can make this shape. This will make it look like a chubby cheeks. The neck, I'm drawing the neck. After this, it is very easy. We can start making the hair by first making a box. Making a box like this. Just made a box, hair strand, V-like shape in the forehead. Connect here. I'll connect this one here. So this way we can make this face very easy. Some hair I'll make here. I'll keep darker shading for the hair. So I'm going to give shading based on line-based shading I'm giving. This line-based shading I have done. Okay, so after this we can make the body of this person. We can make the body of the person. So I'll make this line first. This side body, this line, I'll make this line darker. Then this hand we need to do. So also make a small curve here. Then make this hand. There is another line we can draw. So that tells about thickness of the hand. The body is in the front and the hand is in the back. So the line happens like this. On the right side, the shoulder line comes like this. Then this line goes straight like this. This curve and a straight line. The second line comes like this. The upper hand, like it is almost like a parallel, but if he is a muscular boy, then muscle comes. But otherwise, it is like this. The body line starts behind the hands like this. Okay, so what is important is hand. Here we are going to make simple hand. Is close to hand. Okay, the closed hand that we are going to make is keeping in the hip, and that is very easy, making the closed hand. And the second line, the both line look like a little bit of like a triangle. See this? I'm making this second line also. When I complete here I'm making shape like this. Look at this. Here also it is like a simple box. This is the simple shape. Then small curve, another curve. So his hand is folded like this. Then he's keeping in the hip. Body line, I'll finish it here. Maybe for the trouser, so I'll just put it here. This line for the trouser comes here. So the other hand also, it is like this only, a line like this. Here we will make the curve here itself. This comes like this. Another line comes like this. I'll make it very clear. Okay, so this also we can make it like this. This folding, so I just made it like this. Okay, so this is one finger and this is the hand goes like this. Okay, so I'll just make it like this in the next drawing. So I'm going to show you how to draw the open hand. So this is a simple closed hand, goes like this. So now this leg, little bit, I'm just increasing the height. Little bit only I've increased. In the bottom, I'm simply it is so easy to make the feet. Okay, so I'll make it like a triangle. So this is a triangle. So I made a triangle for the feet, and between this feet and the hip, forget about the trouser, feet and the hip. Okay, so in the middle, I'm just making a small circle. This is for the knees. Okay, here he is keeping feet in a little in a different angle, so I'm just keep making it like this. And for this leg also, the knee comes like this. So these are the basic things when you have to worry about when you draw the legs. And like hand, the leg also, the upper leg is a little bigger. It is taking this shape. The lower leg is smaller. Smaller in the front, it is almost like a straight line only. But in the back, it is going to be like this shape. So look at the shape it makes. So this is like this shape. Then again, this goes up like this. So in the thigh, it is like this. Then the knee, then this line comes straight like this. This is how we draw. The same way we can draw the other leg also. So the upper leg is like this. It's a little bigger and thicker. In the lower leg, it is like this straight line in the front. So in the back, there's a small gentle curve. There's a small and gentle curve. So we can plan trousers very easy. Make a curve here. This leg also will make a small curve. Made a curve in the trousers. Then just to show the thickness, right side and left side, I make something like this. This goes. So he's wearing some kind of special trouser. This goes like this. Then I can give some shading, make the whole thing darker like this. The feet are very, very easy. Feet are very, very easy. I will do it twice. When I do the first time, you can observe. Then second time, I'll do here. So I'll make another triangle here. Same, the same triangle I'm making here. Maybe this is a little bigger. So observe this. So observe this. Okay, you don't have to draw this, just observe this. Look at this curve is very important. See this curve I'm making? I just made a curve. This looks like a shoe, right? So this is how it is. That is all. Make this curve, then everything is done. Now the finger I can draw like this. Then just connect this. Then the line going up, it is like this. The back, it is like this. So this is how we draw the feet. So I'm going to draw the same here. Now you can draw. I'm going to draw the same here. This curve. Okay. In the front, I'm making the finger like this curve. In the back, also this curve comes like this and joins this. So here comes the feet. It is so easy. Draw beautifully like this.
Finished, sir.
Okay. So the other feet also we are going to make it, but that also I'm going to make it twice. So I will make a triangle. You have to observe this. Okay. So I just make a triangle like this. So this is more important. Is more important. So all the fingers going to come here actually. So for the fingers, I'm making this small line. Okay. Now I make the fingers. This is one finger. Other fingers, you don't have to worry. We'll do it later. Now, this is a small curve like this. Then it goes up like this. So this is how this feet. So the other fingers, we can make it. There are 4 fingers, right? So 4 small curve, we have to make it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's all. Now the whole thing looks like nice feet. Okay, so I'll do it here again that you can observe. So this is the line for all the feet, all the fingers. This is the line for all the fingers. So I make this thumb first, then 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this for all the fingers. Then after that, I can make this curve. And again, it can go up and connect. So the whole this leg appears little bigger. That's all right. Just for our understanding, we are learning. So I'm just making it a little bigger. Okay, so if you want the nails further, you have to work on it. But this is good enough. So we are done with this drawing. Once you complete, you can show it.
Sir, can I show?
Yes, please. Okay, feet எல்லாம் ஒழுங்கா போட்டியா? Bring it closer. Okay, bring it closer to the camera. சரி, ஓகே, நல்லா தான் இருக்கு. அந்த ஃபீட் the legs வந்து ஹைட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமா இருக்கணும். ஓகே. Okay, Skanda, good.
Sir, shall I show Advik?
Yes, yes, Advik. Okay, good, good, nice, Legs are, feet are very, very good. Okay, good work. Eyes, face, expression also very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. So I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, a clear, very nice sketch, Anvita. The knees சின்னதாயிருச்சே. The round what you made for the knees இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெருசா இருந்தா நல்லா இருக்கும். Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good work. So I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, nice, nice. So it looks like a little bit tummy is put, but nice, looking nice. So you can correct it, the line in the back, in the line. Okay. Okay, nice work. Okay, this is good. Uttara, will you show? Girinath and Uttara. I need to see from Girinath and Uttara. Okay, I'm seeing from Girinath. Okay, Girinath, it is very cool, nice. So one thing you have to remember is in the hands வரையும்போது the upper hand, lower hand ரெண்டும் equal lengthல இருக்க மாதிரி வரைஞ்சுக்கணும். Okay, so right side okay, but left side you need to correct it. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
yeah, feet are very good. Knees can be a little bigger actually. Okay, good work. Okay, so we can move on to the next sketch. So is it Uttara? Can we see your work? Okay, no response from Uttara. Okay, so let's start the other one. So in that, yes, Uttara.
Yes,
Can you-
sir. Sorry, sir. For I can't hear you, sir. That's why.
Why? So you have any audio issue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you show your work?
Yes, sir. Just a
Okay.
minute, sir. Can I show, sir?
That is what I'm asking you. Okay, இந்த feet எல்லாம் சரியா இல்ல. கேர்ஃபுல்லா பார்த்து போடணும். ஐஸ் எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு. Body is good. Feet to be improved little bit. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's make the other sketch. So one more sketch we are going to do. So in that movie, this Mowgli will be dancing with whom? With Balu. Okay. Balu the bear. So they sing a song called Bear Necessities. Okay. So we are going to draw the Balu, the bear. So I'm just making a circle, making light only. This is for the head. This for the head, and the body is going to be, so it will be a neck. Okay, and the body is going to be bigger actually, like this. The body of the bear. So it's going to be of this size. So I'll take camera closer to the head, but first draw this. For the nose, I simply think about a small cylinder. I'm just making this shape for the nose. Okay, now I can take it a little closer. So always we can draw basic with the basic shape. We can draw the size
Sir,
and
it looks like a duck.
okay, yeah, the height of the hand, the length of the hand. This is one hand. This is another hand. Legs will draw later. Okay, so we can draw now. This nose, I'm just making a line here. Then I make this eye like this. This is one eye, and this is another eye. And keeping the dot in the bottom, he's looking down like this. Eyebrow like this. The line we already drew for the nose. I'm just making it darker. The front of this nose, we can make it darker like this.
Sir, it looks like a dog.
Yes, the character keeps changing. Now this mouth, so we can make it like a little bit open mouth. This one line I'm drawing. There is another line also I'm drawing. Okay, so looks like a little bit like an open mouth. The jaw, I'm making this. So ear is smaller. So I'm just making this ear like this. Also, I'm going to make the hairstyle. So let's make some few hairs like this. Okay, so maybe a small line here to show the other side of the face. Okay, then I can make the shoulder like this. Shoulder, and this line I'm making it stronger like this. So the wrist is always smaller. So I'm making a dot here too. So now I'm making the hand like this. So I can also draw a line like this. This is for the line in the body line. The body line little bit goes like this. So after this, I'm going to make the open hand. Look at this, I'm making a lighter line. Okay, this is a lighter line. So I'm going to make the thumb now. This, look at the curve. This for the thumb. Look at the curve. Okay. Then again, you can bring it like this. This is the thumb. So making the edge very sharp because it is having a sharp nail. Okay. Making other fingers are more easy. Okay, so I'll also show you how to draw the real human hand also. See, I'm for other finger size 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. This also looks like a ghost, but they have a long nails actually. So and to draw the human hand also, I'm just making little bigger oval. This is for the human hand. This oval includes the fingers also. So in the almost in this, you don't have to draw this, but you can just see human hand if you want to draw it is same thing. Look at the thumb. This is the thumb, right? This is the thumb. You can draw like this, and these are all other fingers. Okay. So there are 4 fingers. So in between you have to have 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3 lines. If I draw 3 lines, so you get 4 fingers, right? This is how we draw. This is 1 finger, second finger is bigger, third finger is smaller, fourth finger is still smaller. See, it is so easy to draw the human hand. So this is how you can draw. Okay. Okay. Now we have to do in the other side also. So little bit I'll rise. So generally for human and for the bear, anything, this shoulder, then the similar curve we have to make in the other side also. That is for the other shoulder. Similar curve I'm making. This line is already present. We'll draw till here. So always when you draw the hand, you have to fix the wrist. Since the wrist is small, I'm just marking it here. It is going to be like this. Okay, so from here, the other hand I'm drawing, and that is coming like this. It's not a real bear we are drawing the cartoonish. Okay, so last, I'm just remembering this is. So I did this. I have a video for this. This also you should try how to draw a horse. So look at this. I have drawn a horse. So last week I have shared a video, right?
It's a horseman.
Horseman, yeah. So I would have started from the body of the horse with the simple shapes I would have drawn. So you can watch that, and you can also try that actually. Simple shape of the body and simple curves. So like that, any drawing what you make, you also should try in those like that actually. With the simple shapes you can draw. Okay, so then what next? So here the other vowel. The vowel and the thumb. Okay, maybe here let me draw the human first. So this is the vowel. Almost in here is the middle. Look at this nice curve. This is for the thumb. This curve is alone for the thumb. Then after that, we make like this for the human, and this is the place for all other fingers. So I have to make 3 lines, 1, 2, and 3. So you get the fingers. So it is very easy. So the same way, I'm drawing this. So it has a sharp nail and it is taking this shape. So like this. It is very easy to make the other fingers. So I simply make it like this. I simply make it like this. This for the other fingers. So we are done with the hands. Okay, so let's make the legs and body is going to be very easy. So we'll do it quickly. The legs also we have to make. But let's complete the body. So from here also, I'm just making this line. This line. So I'm going to make so in the middle of the body. Generally, they make it light. Look at this. I'm making a oval here. So after completing, so I'm just making a oval here for the middle of the body tummy. These animals have a lighter color. So in the belly, now the feet are very easy. I'll just make the feet same triangle. I make this triangle here. This is one feet, and here I make another feet. So dancing, the feet are like this. This is one feet, the other feet. And there is since it's a fat fellow, and I'm going to connect these feet like this. It's a simple curve. Just connect them like this. Both the feet I connect them. I'm not drawing anything for the shape of the feet and all, but I make this some sharp fingers. I'm making like this. How do I complete the knees are going to be we can make nice curve. I'm just making a light line and seeing it. So this is how we can complete the knee is bent knee. It is going to be like this. This one knee, and it's a kind of more of a cartoon like. So it is like this. Okay, so the other knee is like this. So other knee is like this. So with this we are done. So I'm going to give shading. Okay, except the middle, other parts I'm giving shading like this. So I'll also draw the one more Mowgli dancing along with this bear. That you don't have to draw. Okay, so I have quickly done this. So you don't have to draw this, but if you're interested, you can quickly draw. So I'm going to draw this. This is the body of the Mowgli, and his legs are like this. This is one leg. Here is the other leg. Here is the other leg. This is his hand. One hand.
Sir, is it a must to draw?
No, you don't have to draw. But if you want to draw, you can. If you want to try, you can try definitely. Not must. The trouser. The head is kind of oval, same oval, but he's looking to the right side. So I'm just making like this. There's a box head. Body line. The hands I'll draw like this. It is very simply we can draw. You know how to draw the thumb. So this is thumb. This is the all the fingers. So here also we can draw the thumb like this. And all the fingers like this. Okay, then the leg is like this. Curve in the feet. The other feet is like this. The knee. Okay, both are dancing, so I'll add some grasses in the bottom to look like some grassland. Okay, so once you complete the bear, you can show it to me.
show Advik?
Yes, Advik.
Sir.
Okay, nice. I am particularly interested in the hand, so fingers are good. Okay, good work. So you can add some grasses also in the bottom, so it'll look like it'll dance over the grasses.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm seeing from Girinath. Okay, Girinath. Nice head. Okay, so the right leg, koncham மேல இருந்தா, it look like one leg is in the ground and other leg will appear like it is in the air. Okay, that is fine. So the finger details are good. Okay, good work. I'm seeing from Anvita. Okay, good. This also good, Anvita. Very nice.
Thank you.
Uttara. Okay, Uttara is see Uttara.
அடிங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
Uttara, the speed drawing artist. She has done both. This is what I expect. Okay, very good. Good work. Both are very good. Good work, Uttara. Okay, I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, nicely done. The head hairs are interesting. Hand details are very good. Good work, Kritika. Okay, good. So we have seen from all of you. Anvita also has shown. Skanda.
Sir, can I show?
Yes. Where is the bear?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, show me. Okay, nice. என்னப்பா நீயே இல்ல, this knee has to come, right? இந்த கால் வரையும்போது இந்த குண்டா ரைட்லயும் லெஃப்ட்லயும் this knee has to come. அதெல்லாம் போடல நீங்க.
Sir.
ஓகே, அது போடணும்ல. ஓகே. Okay, so அடுத்து வந்து, so we are going to draw a girl. So in the same movie, there is a girl comes.
Sir, I finished my correction, sir.
Good. Show it. Show it. பொறுமை. நீ Okay, so you have to do it later, Skanda. This is not correct. Okay, I will share this image. You can see this image and try to correct it. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's make another drawing. So this is interesting drawing. So this also nice one. So let's make the head of a girl actually. Okay, so the Mowgli we made like that. So here also we're going to make the head of a girl. She's going to hold a pot, and this is very easy. Okay. Okay, this is a lighter line only as usual. In the middle, so we know, imagine a line, and there we are going to draw the eye, and look at this line for one eye, this line for another eye. And we can make this a round also like this. In this simple round is good enough. This round is good enough. Just making simple eyebrow here, another eyebrow here. You can make the dot for the bindi. And nose and mouth are same. Like for the boy, how we draw, the same way we can draw. Nose is simple nose like this. And a smiley lips. One big line and one small line, that will make it look more beautiful. See, the oval we draw first, that is not a final line, it is only guiding line, so you don't have to worry about it. Actual line will change. Okay, since he is looking at the right side, okay, from here, so from this eye, so I'm making this chubby cheeks like this. So one side I'm making it like this. The other side I can simply make a simple curve, smooth curve. Okay, here she also have so lots of hair. So the head, so a little bit I'm increasing the size for the hair. So I'm going to make like this. So look at this, in the left side, the hair comes like this. The right side also, the hair goes like this. This comes like this. This line also comes like this. We can make this design, the ribbon design, all those comes right. That we can. I'm just making a design here. It's like a double plight and design. The hair can be, we can shade it, make it darker.
Sir, is the drawing finished?
No. We're just starting. Okay, so we are going to make the whole body of the girl we are going to draw, and she is carrying a pot in the head. Okay, the neck I can make like this. Is the neck, and the shoulder of this girl. I'm just drawing a lighter line. See this lighter line. Okay. So lighter line. I'm just simply making a lighter line here. Okay, so let's make, okay, here we are going to make the hand. Hand has to go all the way to the pot. So in the same head, head is tilted in an angle. The same angle, so I'm going to make a small pot. She's carrying a small pot. So try to make a pot like this. How do you make a pot? Make a circle here, maybe a line in the middle. The face, it is at an angle. So in the same angle, I'm just making this. In the top, I'm making a line like this. So this line in the middle, it is helping me to make a symmetrical. The part has to be symmetrical. So for that, in the top, you can make that in the middle. Okay, so this is the part. So once you make this light, then you can make it darker. But before that, so I'm going to make the hand. This is the hand. This upper hand and lower hand should be of equal length. So make sure both are of equal length like this. Then you can make a second line. So this is the length. This is how her hand is. So I can end it. This is very easy. You can end it like this. So she's holding the pot like this. Holding the pot like this. So let me also draw a couple of lines and it will look like she's wearing a bangle. So once this is done, then you can make the line darker for the pot. And maybe I can think about adding something here. There is a cushion on top of that. She's having the pot. Then I'll make some designs in the pot. Okay, simply like this. Maybe there is a one more line. I'm just making some design. Any design you can make. So made a design, then I'm just shading it a little bit in the left side. Let us try to see the bigger picture. So I'm going to make the skirt also for this girl. So look at this, I'm making a curve here. Making the curve here, and it's going to be like this. Simple curve like this. Also, okay, so the same legs and feet. For the Mowgli, whatever we did, the same feet we can do. So one feet, and there is another feet. The same feet we can try to draw again. The other hand. So I'm just trying to decide the length of the other hand. This is one line and another line. So this is going to be the other hand. So this line, then there is another line. Second line I can draw. So the hands appear, this hand appears to be a little bigger, this is smaller, but not to worry. So not to worry. So look at this, the finger. I'm drawing the finger like this. This is a curve. Then after that, there is this also we can draw. That's all. So this fingers we can draw easily like this. I just make a couple of lines to look like she's got bangles. Then you can make a design in the frock. Any design you can make. Some designs also you can make it in her shirt and dress. Okay, so I'll just make a couple of lines, make some flowers like this. Make another line here. So any design as you like, you can make. Any design you can make. I'm going to complete the feet also. You know how to draw the feet. Here I'm making a starting by making a curve in this. Then just take it up like this. Thumb I can make and another curve. The same way, like we have done this already. And for this leg also, this. Then I make this curve. I make this, then other fingers also made. I'm also going to make golusu. So a simple curve like this. You can make dots. Here also you can make a curve and few dots like this. Some grass. Just making some random design. Just making. And some shading in the skirt, and any design is fine. So anything what you like, you can do. This is the last artwork we are doing for the day. So next class is going to be the last class. We will learn how to make a real nice portrait. We will draw how to draw eyes, nose, mouth. Then make the portrait. We'll also try to learn some shading techniques also.
Sir, I'm done.
Yeah, show it, show it. Okay, very nice. Very nice. There is a bend in the hand, so that is also captured. But the whole lower part of the skirt is like a little bigger actually. So it is like, okay, so
Okay, sir.
yeah, good work. Feet's also very nice.
Thank you.
Okay. So this has an interesting homework. Yes.
No, sir. After seeing the homework, should we leave?
Yeah, you can. Yeah. So here is the homework. Look at this homework. So they are playing. So they are in the river. There is a water body, and they are bare necessities. In the end of the song, they swim like this. They have a good fun. So try to make this. And the leaves add a lot of flowers and leaves, and it's going to be easy and good. And I'll pass if possible. I'll also share this. This also you can try. Maybe one more. So that's homework.
Sir, which is homework?
So this is the homework. So this is the homework. Okay.
Is it only this?
No, two more. I showed the other one is this. Look at this horse. So this also homework.
Okay, sir.
And maybe one more also. So whatever you like, at least two homeworks you can do. Okay, I'm seeing from Anvita. Nice, nice. The character looks very, very good. I like the skirt designs in the skirt, your own design, which is very, very good. Good work, Anvita. And the triangle in the bottom can be little bigger, but it's all right. It's almost correct only. Yeah. Good work. Okay, I'm seeing from Girinath now. Okay, Girinath, nice work. The designs are good. The girl is looking good. The angle of the head tilt is good. Good work. Okay, so I'm seeing from Kritika. Okay, this is very good. The girl is laughing very much. The கீழ இருக்கிற லெக்ல ரைட் சைடு லெக் வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தள்ளி போடும். So it could be shifted. Good work, Kritika. I like her smile. Yeah. Okay, so mostly we have seen. So Skanda, you have to show. ஓகே, நல்லா இருக்கு, நல்லா இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த கை வந்து யூ ஃபோல்டட் இன்சைட். இந்த கை நேரா இருக்கு, இந்த கையை வந்து யூ ஃபோல்டட் இன்சைட். பட் தட்ஸ் ஆல் ரைட், இட் இஸ் குட். ஓகே, குட் ஒர்க் ஸ்கந்தா, வெரி குட். Okay, so good to see all of your
Thank you, sir.
homeworks and works. They are very nice. Okay, see you all in the next class. So any
Bye,
questions?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Sir.
sir.
Sir, I won't be coming next week, sir.